Hello again, this is Captain John with another one of my video tips of the week. In today's video tip, I'm going to show you how the navigation rules show the boundary between international and inland waters and how you can use this for safer sailing or cruising. The navigation rules contain all lights, shapes, maneuvering and warning signals to be used by vessels operating in international waters and inland waters of the United States. The line which separates international waters from inland waters is called a COREGS demarcation line. Details of the COREGS demarcation lines are found in the indexes in the navigation rules. If you are on the seaward side of the COREGS demarcation lines, international rules apply. If you are on the inland or U.S. side of the COREGS demarcation lines, inland navigation rules apply. Now let's take a look at how these COREGS demarcation lines will appear on your nautical or electronic chart. On this chart of Marblehead Harbor, Massachusetts, the cartographers have drawn the COREGS demarcation line as a magenta dashed line. They've labeled the line COREGS demarcation line in all capitals and included a reference note. On this chart at the entrance to San Francisco Bay, you can see the COREGS demarcation line again has been drawn as a magenta dashed line and labeled COREGS demarcation line in all capitals along with a reference note. You will need to know which side of the demarcation line you are on so that you can know the proper lights and day shapes to display and maneuvering and warning signals. This example for day shapes in international waters states that a vessel proceeding under sail when also being propelled by machinery shall exhibit forward, where best can be seen, a conical shape apex downwards. Notice the keyword here, shall. This same rule in inland waters contains an additional line which says this: a vessel of less than 12 meters, or about 39.5 feet in length, is not required to exhibit this shape, but may do so. Note the keyword may. So in inland waters, if you're at 12 meters or about 39.5 feet or less, you're not required to exhibit this shape, but you may do so. In international waters, you must do so. Now you know how to locate demarcation lines on your nautical or electronic chart and how these rules can change on either side of the line. Use easy sailing navigation tips like these for safer sailing or cruising wherever in the world you choose to sail or cruise. This is Captain John, and this has been another one of my video tips of the week. Find more sailing tips and techniques on www.skippertips.com.